Hey YouTube, it's DreamProjects here, and today I'll be showing you how to do this. As I was saying, this is really nice that people can click on another video that YouTube chooses or that you choose, or most popular video. You could choose one that has, you could feature another channel. That's my channel. And by the way, guys, visit Dream Family Travel. It's a really good, channel. I'd say it's really pretty good. It's my other channel, and um, this this video was recorded by Screencast-O-Matic. So please use it if you want to. Just go to screencast-o-matic.com and /screen recorder and click launch free recorder, and then it'll download it. The next time you want to use this recorder, just go to this screencast-o-matic.com and then click launch free recorder, and then it'll automatically happen. You could also use the webcam as shown over here. You can use the webcam and the screen. It'll show this whole thing. It'll show you and your screen. It'll screen record and do that. Or you can only do the webcam, no screen recorder, or you can only do the screen recorder, no webcam. So please use Screen-O-Matic. I'm giving credit to it because it's not mine, and I'm using it to record this video. So please use it. So first of all, please subscribe to this, and let's get on with the video. So first of all, go to your channel. On your channel, just click one video. Let's say I want to do that video. Click on one video, and then click edit video. When you're uploading the video, you can also do it. It'll show this stuff when you're uploading it on computer, and then click the end screen button. So right here, click that pencil. It will show this and stuff. You can, for the video that you're editing, you can choose like any time where you want it to show. Import from latest video, you can choose that, and two channels, because I did that. And one video, one subscribe. I did one video and 2 subscribe. You could also do 2 videos, or you could do 1 video, 1 playlist, or right over here, 1 playlist, 1 subscribe, or 1 video, 1 playlist, and 1 subscribe. So yeah. So I just did import from latest video. Best for viewer, you can do you have to do a message. So once you click on that, you have to type a message. And over here on the other channel you're doing, you can also choose any channel you want. I chose Dream Family Travel, so please subscribe there again. And you can do a custom message, and then just choose where you want it. I prefer to do it at the end, near the end. I'll start showing it about here, near the end of the video, and then just click Save Changes. So once you go to the video, it'll be right at the place where you put the video, put the thingy on the video. So I did it on this video, right? So let's do it on this video. So let's go all the way about here, and it'll show. You can choose a video again, or you could just like do a video, like, or just do most popular, or on the like the latest video. I did YouTube's choice, and so you can do this. You can do this, also subscribe. And again, at the beginning of the video and throughout the whole video, it'll have this subscribe button over here, as I showed in this video, how to get YouTube subscribe watermark /button. It's very easy. I'll post the link in the description. And so basically, once you go over there, oopsie. Oh yeah, just saying, it'll take you to the channel once you click on it. So again, it's really good. I'd get it. So yeah, you can change it anytime you want, and so it's pretty good. Like, you could do it for any video, but the thing is, when you're uploading the video, you have to do it, or you can just edit the video, but you have to do it one by one for each video, because it won't do it for all the videos. So you can like choose everything. That's why I like this, and so I think that's it for today. So everyone who's watching this, please subscribe, like this video, and comment down below and give me some more ideas for some videos that you would like to watch, and it's a win-win for both of us. So please do it, and I'll send this link for this video, how to get this this subscribe watermark / buttons thing. So yeah, and next video I'll show you how to create a YouTube channel and like do a bunch of things with it. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Please subscribe, like, and comment down below. And remember to subscribe for more videos like this on Dream Family Travel and Dream Projects. Goodbye. See you next time on Dream Family Travel or Dream Family Projects. Or no. It's Dream Projects. Remember.